Hi Ravi, how are you?
Hi Neha, I'm good. And you?
I'm also fine. What are you doing these days?
I've started learning English. I watch English videos and try to speak daily.
That's great. Do you speak with someone or alone?
Mostly alone. Sometimes with my brother, but he doesn't have time always.
Talking to yourself in English is good. Even I do that sometimes.
Oh really? But you speak English very well. How did you learn?
Thank you. I used to read short English stories and watch movies with subtitles.
Stories? Do you remember any one of them?
Yes, I'll tell you a short story I really liked. It's simple and has a good message. The story is The Wise Old Man. One day, a boy went to a wise old man in the village and said, "Everyone keeps shouting and fighting. I want peace. What should I do?" The old man gave him a glass of water and said, "Take this and walk around the village 2 times, but don't spill a single drop." The boy did it carefully. After he returned, the old man asked, "Did you see anyone fighting or shouting?" The boy said, "No, I was just focusing on the water." The old man smiled and said, "That's the answer. When you focus on your goal, you don't notice the noise around."
Wow, that's such a beautiful story. So the message is to stay focused?
Yes, focus on your goal, ignore distractions. That's how I also improved my English.
That's inspiring. I think I'll also try reading simple stories like this.
Sure, it helps with vocabulary, sentence structure, and confidence.
By the way, I'm trying to learn 5 new English words every day.
That's a great habit. Do you write them in a notebook?
Yes, I write the word, meaning, and one sentence using it.
That's the best way. Do you want to practice with me daily?
Yes, please. That would be very helpful. I feel nervous while speaking, but I want to improve.
No problem. I'm also learning. We'll help each other. Let's practice a simple topic now. How about daily routine?
Good idea. I'll start. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I brush my teeth, take a bath, then eat breakfast. After that, I attend college classes.
Very nice and clear. Now me, I wake up at 7 am. I do yoga for 15 minutes, then take a shower. After breakfast, I attend online classes.
Yoga sounds great. I think I should try it too. It helps in reducing stress, right?
Yes, it really helps. You should start with just 10 minutes daily.
I will try from tomorrow. Thanks for the idea. Do you also watch English news?
Sometimes, but I prefer short English podcasts and YouTube channels made for learners.
Can you suggest one?
Yes, BBC Learning English and Speak English with this channel are very good.
Thanks. I'll try both today. Talking to you really motivates me.
Same here. Talking in English like this helps us learn naturally.
Let's fix 10 minutes daily for English conversation.
Done. See you tomorrow at the same time.
Yes. Take care. Bye Neha.
Bye Ravi. Happy learning, smile. Please subscribe and like this video for more video and write comment also.